So we had an email the other day watching in the background, and the gentleman said, "What the heck is this?" He said, "I see it in the background in the videos all the time, but I never see you use it." So this is an air-powered metal shaper. So it has a big power head right here, runs off air pressure from like a compressor, a foot pedal on the floor that feeds air up to this, and it's got this die right here that rattles up and down, driven by this power head against a fixed anvil on the bottom. And I'm sure you're thinking, okay, fine, but what does that get me? Well, turn your speakers down just a little bit on your computer or your headphones, and I'll show you. So this is the kind of thing you can do with it. You can take that flat piece of aluminum and you can start to dish it out this way, making like a bowl, making a cup, making a cap, anything you wanted, anything where you want to close up a piece of metal, or make a bowl out of something. But let's take this anvil out. I'll put a little sharper one in there, a little more pointed, show you what that does. So this is the anvil that was in there. You can see the profile on that. And this is the anvil I'm going to put in there. Much sharper, much taller profile. So with the same air pressure, just playing with the foot pedal a little differently. So that first anvil, just a shallow little dish, because that was just a shallow little profile on it. This new anvil, much taller profile, much sharper. You can bend things a lot farther, make much tighter radius out of them. And it comes with this small set of different anvils and hammers, if you will, to fit this machine. So steel ones like I have been using. This is plastic. This one is a different, it's a rubber. Here's a leather one for shrinking. Here's another plastic one. These are plastic for shrinking and planishing, smoothing off metal. So if I wanted to finish that piece I was just hammering on with all the little hammer marks in it, I would come back and put this set in, or maybe this set. So it's a plastic, it's a hard plastic die, and what that'll do is allow me to come in and planish the metal. It'll allow me to smooth it off. I can get rid of all the hammer marks, no grinding. Cool. So that's just a couple of things this air shaper will do. So a couple of things that this machine will not do. It will not do anything over a 1/4 inch. Yeah, that's right. If you get the big power head, the tall power head that goes on this machine, you can actually shape 1/4 inch steel plate with it. The other thing you don't do with this machine is you don't put hot metal in here, because the heat will take the temper away from your anvils and your hammers, and then they just mush themselves to death as they're sitting there pounding on top of one another. So no hot metal at all. So hopefully that answers your question. Don't forget to give me a like down here and leave your comments below. And when you get the chance, come out to my website, see what's going on over there. I'll see you next time. So if I jump to here, and then you jump there,